Yo, look at this. Not that. There's a bird right there. Luckily, it's not moving around too much. I think that's the reason why Crypto hasn't completely killed it. Probably fell out of there. Should we move it? Hello, little bird. Leave it. Hopefully the parents don't attack me. Jeez, look at this dog. You love it when it squeaks. Squeak, squeak. Leave it. Try and get him on the shovel. I feel like if it panics, Crypto's gonna attack it. This bird just gives absolutely no fucks. Look at it. Like a boy. No! Crypto! Leave it, good boy. Leave the bird. I feel like he's trying to kill it now. Put him away. I think the smartest thing to try would be a perch. Let's go ahead and put this lemon down there with it. There you go. Put that lemon there. Look how cute he is. He's like, oh, what are you doing to me, Bruda? Come on, my little Bruda. Come on now. I don't think it's injured. I think it just fell. You're just being a blart. Look at his little face. Oh. Milo, get the hell away. I see your little feet. Just use them. I'm gonna teach you how to perch up, you bastard. Come on. Step up. Step up, bird. Nope, we're moving him. We're moving him somehow. Come on top of that. Oh no. We should just grab him, honestly. I don't think he's gonna bite me.
Try me, bitch.
I'll carry you, it's fine. Come on, little bird. Oh, gee. I don't think... Oh my gosh, don't do that. Come on, little bird. You know we save birds here in KZE. Oh, you're so soft. Oh, we got it. Milo. Okay. Don't do anything crazy, little bird. He does not know how to perch. Go ahead, bird. I don't want you no more. Let's just put him here, I guess. Hopefully the parents still want him because he smells like Daddy KZE. There you go, bird. Where is he? Where the hell is he? Oh, there he is. Damn child support bills. Feel free to follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat at KZE_production.